Are you ready to unleash your inner fashionista but feeling a little lost in the vast sea of sewing machines? Fear not. We're here to help you stitch together your very own sewing adventure. Whether you're dreaming of crafting your own clothes or just tackling those pesky home repairs, the right machine can make all the difference. Join us as we unravel the threads of the best sewing machines for beginners. Let's get crafty. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine offers an impressive blend of functionality and affordability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. With its 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field, you'll have the freedom to explore countless design possibilities. Imagine effortlessly viewing your creations in vibrant color on the intuitive LCD display, where changes like adjusting thread color are just a click away. What sets the SE700 apart is its versatility. Equipped with 135 built-in embroidery designs, you can dive right into your projects. Plus, if you're feeling creative, the machine allows you to upload your own designs thanks to its wireless capabilities and USB port access to thousands of options from Brother's online library. This means your creative potential is virtually limitless. When you need to switch gears, simply remove the embroidery arm and you have a fully functional sewing machine at your fingertips. The SE700 also boasts user-friendly features, including an automatic needle threader, an LED-lit workspace for better visibility, a free arm for circular sewing, and a drop-in bobbin that simplifies setup. By choosing the Brother SE700, you're not just investing in a machine, you're embracing a tool that enhances your sewing and embroidery experience. Whether you're crafting gifts, personalizing items, or exploring your creative side, the SE700 is designed to support you every step of the way. Let's turn your ideas into reality with ease and precision. At number 4, Janome Blue Couture Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine. The Janome Blue Couture Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine is an excellent choice for both functionality and style. Available in 3 stunning colors, this sewing machine not only enhances your craft room's aesthetic but also boosts your creative potential. This machine is designed with beginners in mind, featuring an intuitive layout that simplifies the sewing process. You'll love how easily you can adapt your projects. Adjust stitch patterns, tension, and needle position with just a turn of a dial. The convenient lever allows you to create back stitches effortlessly, making your sewing experience both smooth and enjoyable. Threading the bobbin is a breeze. You'll find it takes just around 4 minutes. Plus, the comprehensive instruction manual, complete with visuals, will guide you every step of the way. However, it's worth noting that the lack of troubleshooting guidance could leave you wanting a bit more support in that area. You'll appreciate the consistent quality of the straight and zigzag stitches on various fabrics, from lightweight cotton to sturdy denim. The decorative stitches also shine, showcasing not only aesthetic appeal but strong reinforcement. A perfect combination that ensures durability in your finished projects. With the Janome Blue Couture, you can confidently embark on your sewing journey, knowing you have a reliable partner by your side. Embrace your creativity and transform your ideas into beautiful realities today. Number 3, we have the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is a perfect companion for your little one's journey into the world of sewing. As you nurture their creativity, safety should always be at the forefront, and this machine has you covered with a built-in finger guard, designed to protect tiny fingers from accidents. Not only is the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport, but it's also budget-friendly. This affordability allows you to invest in your child's interests without breaking the bank. Its user-friendly design features slow speed options, ensuring that your little one can take their time and master each stitch with confidence. While this machine doesn't have a reverse stitch function, you can easily adapt by guiding your child to sew over the ends twice, locking in those seams to prevent unraveling. This simple workaround not only reinforces good sewing habits but empowers them to find solutions and learn valuable skills along the way. Imagine the pride on your child's face as they create their first project, whether it's a simple pouch or a colorful patchwork piece. The included accessories, tailored for budding seamstresses, further enhance their experience, making learning to sew fun and engaging. With the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine, you'll not only foster a love for crafting, but also create lasting memories together. Encourage your child's creativity while ensuring their safety and enjoyment, and watch them blossom into a budding artist. At number 2, SINGER M1000 Lightweight and Portable Sewing Machine. If you're looking for a sewing machine that combines portability and ease of use, the SINGER M1000 Lightweight and Portable Sewing Machine is the perfect choice for you. With dimensions of just 9.5 inch by 11.5 inch, this compact design is tailored to fit seamlessly into any small space, making it an excellent fit for apartments, dorms, or cozy nooks in your home. Starting a new hobby can be daunting, but the SINGER M1000 is equipped with user-friendly features that make the sewing journey accessible and enjoyable. Its intuitive controls, easy-to-use backstitch, and simple threading process allow you to dive right in, whether you're mending clothes, creating home decor, or exploring quilting projects. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, this machine is lightweight enough to accompany you to workshops or sewing classes without any hassle. It comes with multiple bobbins, presser feet, and needles to ensure you have everything you need to start sewing immediately. While some users have noted the wish for a more detailed manual, many have found the brand's online resources to be extremely helpful for guidance and inspiration. The SINGER M1000 is designed to empower your creativity, allowing you to embrace your passion for sewing with simplicity, convenience, and quality, all in one compact package tailored for you. Start your sewing journey today and enjoy the endless possibilities this machine offers. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Brother ST371HD Sewing Machine. If you're on the hunt for a reliable sewing machine that balances affordability with versatility, consider the Brother ST371HD Sewing Machine. Designed for both beginner and intermediate sewers, it may not boast a sleek high-tech appearance, but its sturdy construction and superior fabric handling truly set it apart. Weighing in at 18 pounds, this machine may seem hefty for a beginner, but it offers the kind of dependable performance you'd expect from industry leaders like Juki and Singer. This heavy-duty model excels at tackling thicker fabrics, including denim, which can be challenging for many other machines in the same price range. While you might not want to lug it to a sewing class, it's perfect for self-taught hobbyists ready to enhance their skills at home. Imagine creating your own garments or home decor using a machine that empowers you with precision and strength. The Brother ST371HD is built to handle various materials, allowing you to experiment with different projects, whether you're sewing clothes, crafting accessories, or tackling repairs. As you embark on your sewing journey, this machine can be your trusted companion, providing you with the reliability needed to build your confidence and skills. So if you're ready to elevate your sewing experience, invest in the Brother ST371HD. It's more than just a tool, it's a gateway to unleashing your creativity. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which sewing machine for beginners you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.